Hey guys, it's Lion on YouTube /Seven20 here, and today, well, doesn't look like normal clothes for me, but I'm in my jammies, but I really want to make this video anyway. So let's get to it, shall we? So put this in the mail. This is the sonic screwdriver, the 13th Doctor sonic screwdriver, made by the company Seven20. So let's get to the box. So got the very nice Doctor Who logo. You've got the really nice background. You got the TARDIS doors. Other side. Even got the top for the crystal. That's very nice packaging. Bottom, there's just 720 barcode thing. Yeah. Thing. Let's get this out of the box with scissors. Really want to review this toy. Oh. Oh my god, that looks amazing. Here's the toy. You see here, it's a wooden perfect. The crystal looks very nice. Looks very nice. The crystal looks very nice. Back of here, got lots of screw holes. But it doesn't really matter anyways, it's still a toy, it's cool. This turns, it's amazing, it turns. Where there's like no battery compartment, but let's get to the sound. The first sound, it spins. Look at that, nice orangey core around there. They did really good job with it, look at that. And we get the sound. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. So it's still like this. Like oh my goodness, it's amazing. So it looks like a wooden defect, but looks really good. I would buy this. Yes. So, like and subscribe, join Team 13, yeah, subscribe to Team 13. That's it. Lay on YouTube /Lion13, signing out for now. Bye!